Hey you guys, this is Yashvi here and this is the first episode vlog of Joyous Beam Candles. I just love how this sounds. Super excited by the way. But I'm a bit nervous because मेरे को exactly नहीं पता अभी तक कि ये vlog में क्या क्या हम include करेंगे. पर एक इतना सा आइडिया है कि पूरे हफ्ते भर में हम जो भी काम करेंगे we'll try to capture it in the video format and compile it and put it out there for you guys to enjoy and for you guys to understand what actually goes behind Joyous Beam Candles. So yeah, and by the way, if you want us to make more these kind of videos, you will have to like and share this video, so this will motivate us personally कि हाँ ये चीज़ आपको अच्छी लग रही है, हमको पता चलेगा क्या अच्छा लग रहा है क्या नहीं अच्छा लग रहा है. So that is your task now to like and share this video as much as you can, so that will just help us and motivate us to do more of these kind of videos. So yeah, thank you. It's a brand new day today, and today I have few of the tasks to do. First is I need to answer a few of the mails because there have been a lot of mails that are sitting in our inboxes that needs to be done. Second is I'll be packing few of the orders, and also I'll be making content for reels hopefully today. So yeah, let's go. PM and थोड़ी देर पहले ही मैंने एक पोस्ट एडिट करना कंप्लीट किया. दैट वाज हाउ डज सेंट अफेक्ट योर मूड, and that has been live on Instagram. It's a really good question that has been answered, and check us out on Instagram if you don't follow us there already. Do follow, the link is in the description down below. So yeah, and now I will go to bed and have great sleep. Bye bye.